Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken broth cubes. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 3 to 4 pounds of bone-in chicken, such as wings or backs, for the best flavor. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables: 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 4 cloves of garlic, a few sprigs of fresh parsley, and 1 bay leaf. Place all these into a large stock pot, then add about 3 to 4 quarts of cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As it heats, you might see some foam rise to the surface. Simply skim this off with a spoon. After about 10 minutes, reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Partially cover the pot, allowing a small gap for steam to escape. Let it simmer gently for at least 3 to 4 hours to extract all those wonderful, rich flavors from the chicken and vegetables. After simmering, it is time to strain your homemade broth. Carefully remove all the chicken and vegetables from the pot using a large slotted spoon. Then, pour the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl or pot. This ensures a clear broth. Let the strained broth cool completely to room temperature, which can take several hours. For best results, refrigerate it overnight. This allows any excess fat to solidify on the surface, making it easy to remove. Now for the final step: freezing your broth into convenient cubes. First, skim off any solidified fat from the top of your chilled broth. Then, carefully pour the cooled broth into ice cube trays, filling each compartment. Place the trays in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until the cubes are completely solid. Once frozen, pop the broth cubes out and transfer them to freezer-safe bags. These individual portions are perfect for adding flavor to your cooking anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.